Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another unit we have on the ground. This is stock number 14577. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft 7x12 in a charcoal blackout package. This one does come with an extended triple tube tongue, which is great for towing purposes. Cargo Craft does a great job with their frame and tongue design. You also have the black diamond plate lock guard along the bottom, as well as up the V-nose right there, so nice rock protection. You guys can see you also have some running lights here at night, which is really great for safety. Side door does come with a nice big overhead gutter, RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on that side door as well. And then you also have a nice door hold back. 3,500 pound axle with black mod wheels and a rounded black diamond plate fender for your blackout package. You also have side vents with this unit, and very important with single axles, stabilizer jacks underneath this unit as well, so you guys can fold those down when you're not hooked up to your truck and not worry about tipping the trailer, because it's just going to pivot on that single axle. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, so it is easy to open and close the rear ramp door. You also have the really cool black diamond plate wrap around your rear door jamb. There's your LED tail lights and another nice gutter over this rear door as well. Give you guys a better shot of this side. And then a total bonus with this trailer is it is equipped with a nudo floor. So nudo floor is one of the best performing floors we can stick in a trailer. It also has the Drymax product underneath it. Drymax doesn't absorb the water like your standard plywood will, so for longevity purposes it's going to last much longer because it doesn't absorb the water and moisture. You also have 4 D-rings in here ready to go, so great tie down points if you guys have a smaller UTV or dirt bikes or an ATV, or you just need a work trailer. This is an excellent trailer to use with this flooring, and it's really cool looking. Interior light as well. Back side of the RV lock, you guys can see that right there on the back side of that door. That gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. So if you didn't have a cam bar, or the RV lock, just a cam bar, that whole entire piece would be missing. And you guys can see it's pretty impossible to close the door once you're on the inside. Side vents, you've got one here, one up in that top left corner up there. So natural cross ventilation that will occur through the trailer as well. And you've got about a 1,675 payload capacity. We do have a great price on this unit at $44.77 plus tax. And as always, you can reach us at 303-688-8485 or check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.